What is up, guys? So it's a new year and I figured it's about time to start a new project. So today I'm gonna go show you guys exactly what that project is, and I don't own it yet, but it's at a friend's house who I met at a meet recently, and he overheard that I was looking for one of these cars and said that he happened to have one, and he also just happened to live only 10 minutes away from my house. So that worked out perfectly because I was looking all over to Las Vegas from San Diego for a car like this. So we're gonna go check it out. I've already checked it out before, but we're gonna go give a more detailed look at the car, see what's wrong with it before I pull the trigger and purchase it. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be getting this, so let's go head over there and then I'll show you guys exactly what it is. Oh shit, there's an E30, that's his. He's also got this E90, I believe. What's up, man?
What's up, Derek?
Can you tell me a little bit about your E30 actually?
This is actually the second car I ever owned. Bought it back in 2015 when I was 16 years old, and bought it for $800 in an auction, and it's been a project ever since. I've driven it a total of 5 times every.
Holy crap, no, I know that feel though. I still have my drift car, which I've driven a total of maybe 100 miles.
Damn.
Maybe.
Yeah, I probably have less than that on this, dude.
Damn.
Longest trip I've ever taken was to Coronado, and then Convoy, and then back home. That was it.
Damn.
So probably
Did it have any
30-mile trip.
Damn.
I mean, it had a rough idle.
That's
at the low RPM. Yeah.
So could you drive it now?
If I threw a battery in it, yeah, it would start up.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
You just choose not to because you have all these other cars, huh?
Yeah, and then it's got issues the e-brake doesn't work.
Oh, that's right.
It's got an oil leak, but and a battery drain. That's why it doesn't have a battery in it.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Damn, she's sitting low.
Yeah, I mean over the years, every now and then I collect random parts.
Yeah, and just throw them.
Just find for the low, or decide to do some random DIY off forums.
Dude, that's exactly how I am. All right, let's go check out the car. Here, I'm gonna go take a peek. It's over here. Ooh, there it is. Let's go get a closer look. Look at this. Oh my god. Damn, look at this. This is it. This is the new project. This is the one. I'm confident this will be the one. The only thing, it's got the square taillights, not the roundy ones, but for what this is and everything like that, and for the condition and how complete it is and the price and everything, I'm willing to live with the square taillights. And maybe I'll try to do a round conversion in the future. So I've already talked to Sammy a bunch about this car, but today we're just gonna go give a deeper look at the car. And yeah, it's super straight so far. I mean, from everything I can see, it's super clean for what it is. I mean, it's been sitting here for the past 2-3 years, but yeah, I mean, I totally see the potential in it. It's way better than a lot of other ones I've seen on Craigslist and stuff. Alright, let's do it. Let's see what's under here. The brakes aren't locked. Yeah, look at that. The motor sits pretty low considering this is stock height. Or well, now it's jacked up, but when it was sitting stock height, this motor sits below this air dam piece, so I don't know. Definitely gonna be careful. Look at this though. Oh, there it is. Carbureted Almighty M10. Look at that. So he said this thing starts and idles, but just needs some carb work. But we're probably gonna be removing this anyways, so yeah.
We could get it to run and fuck it.
Right? Just run it as it is for a little bit. So it looks like it only has like some minor imperfections, like, you know, you can tell it was hit right here, probably rubbed up against something. This fender's a little bit tweaked. There's some rust bubbles here. It's still not too bad, to be honest. I mean, compared to the other 2002s I've seen, this is kind of standard and not bad.
Just want to see how like the little rubbing compound would like
Oh yeah.
brighten up the paint.
Is it supposed to be black or like bluish?
I think it's black, man.
Oh shit, yeah.
I'd be surprised if we like buff it out and like the whole car looks like blue. It's like some weird
silver underneath. Dude, what the fuck? This is actually like pretty smooth. How long did you say it was sitting back here for?
shit, man. Probably maybe like 3-4 years.
Us? Yeah, that's pretty long actually. What was I doing 3 or 4 years ago?
Starting the 30 maybe.
Yeah, I think so. I just got into cars maybe. Dang.
Just years of grime and neglect piled up.
Yo, that's
I mean,
pretty damn good.
just for like
for
some
the-
water and rubbing compound.
Yeah, and like not even a machine or anything like that.
Yeah, no cut. Looks pretty good. I mean, well, it's shiny.
Yeah, it is. Damn, look at that. Damn. Look at that. What the fuck? Look how clean that is. That's not bad. Compared to this. To that.
I have the impact gun right there. Let's see if it'll
Damn,
break.
the snap on.
Big guns.
Yeah. Oh.
God damn.
Ooh.
What is it?
Oh, the tiny.
Oh, what's going on right there?
Oh.
Wow.
Not the greatest signs.
Hopefully this thing's just dying, cause wow.
How come I've never thought of this?
Oh.
Oh.
That should be good.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. That's not bad.
Sick.
Maybe the impact gun's just dead.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is the first wheel of a Hovercraft E10. Pretty soon we'll be putting the thrusters on and we'll be good to go. God damn, those are tiny.
Damn.
My bike has bigger brakes than that.
Damn, dude, what the hell?
What the fuck?
What the fuck? Hey, but I mean, it's all there. Rusty, but I mean, you know, we're gonna get rid of all this. I mean, it's just surface stuff.
Well, other than like little crevices, but you know,
Yep, I mean,
as long as my fist doesn't go through it.
yeah, that's true. I mean, the frame rails look solid. Right here, it looks like there's gonna be some rust, but
Yeah.
that'll get fixed.
Probably when we take the fender off.
Yeah.
Fix that.
Oh, and it looks like it's because the little drain thing goes there and it gets caught.
Yeah,
over
dude,
there,
I actually
yeah.
read up on that. It's a like a defect that they had.
Oh,
The rain gutters. They would
yeah.
actually cause rust because they would catch water in the bottom of the fenders.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, but look, the frame rails, super solid. Like, that's like the important part to me. Like, now we just gotta see the floor pan when we crawl into the car.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And the gas tank.
Yeah, oh yeah, and the gas tank.
Yeah, we should put like a couple gallons in there probably later on to check. But I
Oh, if it
I'm
leaks?
pretty sure it should be fine.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it will. Dude, it doesn't even have like rust here or anything like that. I've had an E30 that rusted there. Or over here, it's all straight. Oh, no, this is just like dirt. That's not even rust. Wow. Holy shit, look at this. This looks brand new. This
Hopefully
is
the
how...
outside comes out that nice. Holy
Oh, yeah, it still has like the factory like slight orange peel.
yeah. That's probably the nicest paint on the whole car.
This is goals right here. All right. What were we gonna check?
I don't know. Down here, maybe?
Oh yeah, huh?
You got a spare with the
Ooh,
bad
with the
tire.
holy shit.
Oh, there's a little bulge right there.
Oh, that's not bad.
Spare tire delete?
Yeah, sure. Fuel cell install.
Air tank?
Air,
You go that
ooh, air tank. Dude,
This would look sick with a wooden trunk, dude.
that would be sick.
That'd be nice.
I don't know my woods very well, but like a dark red wood.
Mahogany or something?
Is that? I don't know.
Question mark?
Nice.
This is cool too.
Oh yeah, the lights.
Little bulbs and stuff.
Those are sick. And look at this. West German Motors, Pennsylvania. And this is still my favorite. The history. Seriously.
What do you think what's going on in this car? Staff. So I wasn't a student.
Yeah, huh?
Staff member.
Or maybe they graduated from Harvard and then they went to this place and then they became a teacher. Or a janitor. No. Wait, I'm gonna open this up. I wanna show. Oh, there you go. Whoops.
Yeah, it probably just needs to be greased up.
Look at this. It's like a time capsule. And it's clean. It's complete. Look at this. Does this open? Is this a center, or is this a glove box? Dude, this is so future, man.
I don't know where.
Dude, this dash is like pretty damn clean. Dude, there's less cracks in here than on my E30. And look at this. What the fuck? Look at this. What is
Oh
this?
yeah, dude. You know Germans love to smoke.
Yeah, dude.
They have ashtrays at every corner. There's like 2 back here. Right here.
Oh, are you kidding
Oh.
me?
I mean, I think there's like a tissue in there or something, but.
Oh.
Got it?
Oh, shit. There you go. Look at that. What the fuck? Look at that. Owner's handbook. Oh, you got a map of California, dude.
Oh, what?
Look at that.
That's cool.
Look at that. From 1989.
Holy crap.
Oh shit, dude, the radio install. Oh, look at this radio too.
It works.
Really, it works.
Yeah, only
Holy
out of
sh-
like 1 speaker, but.
Oh,
I mean,
dude, that's still better than my E30 almost.
I got it to work once with the keys are right there.
Dude, and this plastic is still like together. What is this? Oh, this is Volkswagen. Just the cover. Oh yeah, Philadelphia. Dude, no way. Do you want to look at this?
I hope this has black and white photos. Yeah.
Oh.
Damn.
Dude. Man, this is like before the internet, where you have to like.
Actually look in a book.
I mean,
So now,
technically,
like-
you should still do this today, but.
Look how clean it looks in the photo.
Dude, the whole book is in like really good shape too. That's a freaking time capsule right there.
Cool.
Dude. That's handy.
There you go, man.
Thank you. Alright, but that's all the stuff. Let's go put it all back. There you go. Let's get in here. Oh my god. It's kind of scary for some reason. Yeah, dude,
They
this
didn't
is
use traditional foam like they do now.
yeah, this is just straight up springs. Like you could see the springs. It feels like an old spring mattress.
And there's not really any cracks, dude.
Yeah, what the fuck?
In the front either.
Even the back, it looks super clean. I'd want to change the color though. I feel bad though. But I don't want to like ruin it, you know what I mean? Because it's so clean. But yeah, no, this is sick. Oh shit, yeah, do it so we can see if there's any rust.
Oh yes, no rest on that at least.
Dude, and it works.
And it's smooth. My E30s isn't even this smooth.
Oh, poke our head out.
Whoa.
Oh, dude, no, this is straight.
Totally clean.
Look at this. We out here. Oh man. All right, let's get down. Is this an ashtray though? Because I really want to open it. Oh, it is. Yeah. Cool.
I know. Actual driving.
All right, let's go see what's under. All right, I'm gonna bust out my flashlight. But yeah, look at that. Frame, rail, looks good. Exhaust looks super rusty, but that's gonna get swapped out anyways. It's got a dent over there. That frame rail looks straight. Rear looks solid. Diff looks a little bit rusty. Dude, floor pans look solid though. I'm pretty sure it would show rust. Oh, okay, I see a little bit over here. Right there, there's a little bit.
The frame rail?
No, it's the floor pan. I think over there might be a little bit iffy. Oh my god, that's the trailing arm? Dude, it's like a flat bar of metal. Right?
Yeah, dude, it's like a 3-sided
No
tube.
way, dude. Are they always like that in 2002s? They have to be, I mean.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. These are small cars.
Holy shit.
Dude,
Dude,
it feels pretty heavy though. Honestly, this thing might even weigh as much as an E30.
holy crap. That trailing arm right there looks like it's made out of freaking just flat pieces of metal.
Yeah, it looks like somebody
Like
chopped
thin.
it. It looks like it's made out of the jack stand.
Alright. So we checked out all the wheel stuff for the struts and the brakes. It's all there. As you saw, it was just rusty. And then we took off the grills, which actually was way harder than it should have been. Hopefully once we start breaking it down, it'll take apart pretty easily and let us get started on all the body work and all the painting that we have to do and all the rust repair. But like I said, I don't think we're going to be keeping the M10. It's most likely going to be getting a swap. Just depends what we can find and what's most feasible for my budget and just realistically. So we'll see what we run into. But I'm super happy on the condition of this as a start of a project. I feel like it could have been a lot worse, and it'll let us get to the good stuff a little bit sooner. I think the goal is to try to have this, I don't know actually, I don't know when we can get this finished by, because everything's still up in the air, but it would be cool to take it out to SoCal Euro, which is like 8-9 months from now. So that's some time. You know, I'm gonna try to get this started as soon as possible, and there's some people that we have to rely on, so it depends on their schedule too, to see how much we can get done. But yeah, once all that's sorted out, this thing should be coming together, and parts should be coming in as soon as I can find them. But yeah, so that's the new project. 2002, who knows, K24 swap, F20 swap, M42 swap, M20 swap. Let me know what you guys think we should put inside of this thing. I have a few things in mind. Let me know, what do you guys think? Like coilovers, bags, anything, any suggestions, turbo flares, whatever. Let me know. I will consider.